Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 6.3 question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get the perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. That means we need to find the number that should be multiplied with this number to make this number as a perfect square. So 252 is given is not a perfect number, but we are going to find out what number should be multiplied with this number to get the perfect square actually. So to make this number as a perfect square number, first we have to do the prime factorization. So take this number 252. Since the last number is an even number, we can go by 2 table. 2 ones are 2. So 5 will not come in 2 table, but 4 will come in 2 table. So 2 twos are 4. So you can subtract the 4 from here. Remainder 1 will be taken with this number. Now it is 12. 6 twos are 12 we have to take. Again 126 is also even number. Go by 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 63 will come in 3 table. 3 2s are 3 1s are. Again 21 will come in 3 table. 3 7s are 21. So 7. Now 252 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So here to make a perfect number, all the numbers should be repeated 2 times. 2 repeated 2 times, 3 repeated 2 times, but 7 is not repeated. It's given coming only one time. So we need to multiple 7. We need to multiple by 7. Multiply by 7. Then only this number will become a perfect square number. So let us multiple 7 on both sides. So here if you want to make one 7 means here also you have to multiple the 7. So 252 into 7 which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Both the side we have multiplied by 7. So here also you should multiple by 7. Here also you should multiple by 7. Now multiple this number. 7 2s are 14. Balance 1. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36. Balance 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 will give you 17. Now this number will be staying as it is. Now in your question they are asked you to find the square root for the given problem. Now to find the square root. To find the square root is our question. So we are going to find the square root also for this problem. Now take the square root on both sides. So root of 1764 equal to this side also we should take the root. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 we should write. Since it's a square root, 2 numbers repeated means 1 number will come out of the root. 1 2 will be coming out. 1 3 is also will be coming out. 1 7 also will be coming out of the root. So 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. So square root of 1764 value is 42 only. So that is your solution students. We'll do one more problem for better understanding. So 2028 is our question. Now we are going to find the prime factorization. So 2028 is an even number. So we can go by 2 table now. 2 table, 1 2s are 2. The 0 you can take as it is. Again 1 2s are 2. 4 2s are 8. Again the last number is 4. Again it will come in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Again this 1 will not come in 2 table. These two numbers together we are going to take. When we are taking two numbers together, you should write as 0 and 7 2s are 14. 507, 5 plus 7 value is 12. So it will come in 3 table definitely. So 3 table 5. 1 3s are 3 is possible inside. Remainder 2. 6 3s are 18. Balance 2. 9 3s are 27. Now 169 is a 13. 13s are 169. Write it 13 and 13. Again 13 table one time. Now here to make this number as a perfect square, all the numbers should repeated 2 times. 2 repeated 2 times, 13 repeated 2 times, but 3 is not repeated. It's only one time. So we need to multiple with 3 only. So we need to multiple with 3. So you have to write multiple with 3. You just write it. Now children, whatever number you are multiplying, that number should multiple with your given question. So this is our given question. You just multiple with 3 now. Now 3 table 8 3s are 24. Balance 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. This 0 will come as it is 6. So this is a perfect square number. They are asked you to find the square root for this number actually. So square root of 6084 is equal to, so you no need to do the prime factorization once again. We know the prime factorization value for 2028. It's already done it here. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. For this number only one more 3 is added. So here you just multiply the same 3 again. For these two 1 2 will come out. For these two 3 1 3 will come out. For these two 13 also 1 13 will be coming out of the root. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 13 it will be 6 3s are 18. Balance 1. 6 1s are 6 7. So square root of 6084 answer is 78 only. That is your correct answer also. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.